O ran is-adeiledd trafnidiaeth, un mater sy'n bwysig yn ynetholaeth i ar hyn o bryd ydy bod Llywodraeth Cymru yn mynd i'r eithar ar hyn i gallu gwneud i ymestyn y system rheilffordd. A allwch chi roi sicrwydd i fi y byddwch chi'n nghefnogi fi yn ynghais ar network rail i fuddsoddi mewn ail-osod pont rheilffordd Glanhwfan Llangefni ar ôl wedi cael ei tharo gan lori y llynedd?
Yeah, of course. Any network improvements, any improvements to rail infrastructure that can be made in Wales will have this Welsh Government support, and I'd support the members' endeavours in this regard. It does concern me how little investment has been made in the Wales route network and in our stations and in the services that have operated in Wales. But this is something that we're determined to see resolved. That's why we've made a very powerful submission to the Williams review, and why I hope that Keith Williams will be making the case for devolution of responsibility for infrastructure and for fair funding over it, so that we directly can intervene in those sort of problems that the member for Ynys Môn has identified today.